naman, ang tagal na nawala kasi busy lang na busy. So, libot tayo today. Maglilibot tayo. Hindi kami ng baon. Kakain tayo habang tayo ay magbabiyahe. 2 hours biyahe. Yun lang. See you later. Ha? Guys, province dito sa Germany. Pa-border crossing kami ng papuntang France. So, ayan. Mais, ano? Mais. Mais. Mais yan. O, diba? So, ayan ang Bukirien Farm. Farm here in Germany. Taran! Guys, titira ba kayo dito? Will you live here? If it's like this, there is no shopping mall. This is the simple life in the province of Germany. It's called Dorf if it's like a province, isn't it? At ayan guys, nag-lunch muna kami kasi 12 o'clock na yan, kadadating namin. And yan pala ang uso dito sa Germany, Asian buffet.
Oh, if she got something to eat there, the missus is happy. Yum, 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 yum.
Nakalimutan ko na kung magkano ang price niyan, pero mas mura kapag lunch kesa sa dinner. At ayan, may iba-iba silang klase ng food. May Japanese, yung mga sushi, marami ding salad, choices, tsaka may mga seafood na pwede kang ipaluto at tsaka mga sweet na mga pagkain. Meron din mga fish, tsaka yun mga perito. At yan ang aking kinuhang dessert. Yan lang. Yan lang yung nagustuhan ko. What can you say about the buffet? That's an Asian buffet. Chinese restaurant buffet.
Revoir François. C'est soi.
Nabusog kami. Busog naman. Do we waste money or not? It's just genug. It's enough.
Oui.
Si.
Oui.
Oui, if it's French. Ay, naku, it's so hard. Different languages. So, there's the Lidl here. France na to, nasa border kami ng France. France to Germany. Yeah. Okay. See you again. We'll take a video in the city nila.
Bonjour, people. Manuel sightseeing Visborg. Okay, we are here now in France, Visborg. We're going up to a turn. That's where she's going. Mademoiselle, please, not so fast. Mademoiselle. Mademoiselle.
I think it's slow.
Mademoiselle.
Oh, it's right here.
Mademoiselle, you need to do a vlog. It's closer. Auf Wiedersehen. Bye bye. C'est beau, j'ai l'amour, j'ai l'amour.
Where's next?
Comment, is this a gypsy outfit or is it not a gypsy outfit? Mademoiselle.
Okay, ito na yung main town nila. Ayan, tawid tayo guys. Doon kami galing sa parking lot. Yung kitna nito. Ayun silang. And yeah, is this a cheese? Yes, it's a cheese. Ang laki ng cheese, grabe. Ito na yung town nila. Small town lang to ng French. Sa malapit sa border ng Germany. Yan, welcome sa Wissembourg, France. Hindi ko alam kung tama ang aking pronunciation, pero ayan, nasa border kami ng Germany at France. Yan ang small town dito sa France. Ang cute lang ng mga small town dito sa Europe. Ganyan lang yung mga itsura nila. Maliliit lang, walang masyadong shopping mall. As in, magmamasyal ka lang talaga, magwo-walking. Tapos, titingnan mo lang yung mga, ayan, madaming lumang bahay, tsaka magagandang building. Yan pala ang kanilang city hall. Yan ang kanilang city hall. At actually, that time, may ikakasal. May ikakasal dyan. Yung nakikita nyo yung white doon yun, may ikakasal doon. At ayan na yun. Ang kanilang small town, meron naman silang mga pharmacy. Ang ganda din ng town na to, lit-lit lang.
There's a wedding, Charlotte and Francesca.
May wedding, oh. Oy, oo. So, ano nila to, City Hall? At may nagpapakasal.
Why they don't do this with our thing? In Copenhagen?
Because it's a lot.
I want there as well.
Yeah. Ang ganda din ng City Hall nila. Ayan, simpleng buhay dito sa Europa. Ayan, tignan nyo yung mga tourist din or mga local siguro. Nakaupo lang sila dyan, nagko-coffee after maglibot-libot at maglakad-lakad. So, ganyan din kami. Nag-coffee lang din kami dyan actually. At ayan, tingnan nyo nga naman, napaka-cute talaga ng town nila. Yung mga maliliit na town, parang kaparehas din siya ng medyo kaparehas siya ng Strasbourg kasi nagpunta din kami ng Strasbourg.
I overtake the
Okay,
vlog.
yeah, you overtake.
Okay, guys. What can you say about duck adobo?
What's that?
Duck adobo, free duck adobo.
the duck.
There. Is this a stone or is it a duck?
Stone!
It fucking look like a duck to me. Wait. Oh, I'm so a photographer, videographer, cinematic shots, 3, 2, 1, action.
Ang cute lang nito guys. Itong maliit na town na to ng France. Cute lang siya. I like it. Tapos ito na oh. Ang ganda. Tapos ito ang old niyo oh. Tingnan mo yung mga old houses no. Cute. Ayun, modern na yun. What can you say about this cute little small town? Huh?
Okay.
Small town of France. Dito kami saan mainit kasi. Nasa shade. Gusto kong sumakay dyan oh. Baka mo babe.
Yeah.
So now am I still a gypsy? Without this jacket?
No, you're not a gypsy.
Inom sana ako dito. Pero non-potable daw siya. Hindi siya pwedeng inumin. You cannot drink it, right?
Yeah.
Ang init pa rin. It's still hot. Pero ang lamig ng tubig. Kahit na mainit, malamig pa rin tong water. Ang sarap magugas ng kamay. Can I see that? It's a famous hotel. Is it a hotel?
Maybe. Yeah, hotel bar.
Ah, yeah, it's a hotel room. It is. It's nice. These are the small gardens here in Germany. This is how the gardens look like. May pool. May pool sila. Buti pa sila. Init kasi guys. Sobrang init. Grabe oh. Ay nako. Sa gitna ng yeah. Guys, punta na kami sa church. Kasi hindi kami nagpunta dun. This is the wall that you are talking about. Now we can see it and we can appreciate it. Back there then it's not. You cannot see it.
It's the highlight of the town, a stone wall.
Really? Did they say that?
No, I say that.
You shut up. Okay, punta kami ng church. Kasi sa pag ganitong mainit, summer, yung church lang yung malamig. Kasi mga, di ba, parang binild siya ng stone. Kaya malamig dun sa loob ng church. I said it's cold inside the church
But
because
it's
it's
a nice
like,
walking path.
huh?
It's a nice walking path.
Yeah.
path.
Yeah, because there's a shadow as well. It's nice and there's a cute little river. I don't know if this is a river. Is it a river? Oh, it's nice. And just walking. Saturday today. And what can you say about the comment about the salary? That was a long time video. That was February salary, and then I made that video not to brag about my salary, how big it is or whatever. I know how much the cost of living here in Germany is expensive. So when you have a bigger salary but the cost of living is also big, so it's kind of like the same. No one says it's not allowed to say your salary. It's your salary. I'm not saying what my company is. I'm not showing my company. I'm not giving you the name of my company. And it's not all the same salary. All the nurses here have different salary here in Europe. And as well, that's not my regular salary, guys. That's why I share it. So yeah, that's it. And also I shared that video so to inspire people to come here, for the nurses who wants to come here, and then somewhat compare it to the salary in the USA as well. And I'm telling you guys, when you check some of my videos, I'm actually saying that salary in the US is much bigger than the salary here in Germany as well. So yeah, uy, may mga nagde-date oh. Dating, di ba?
No, we don't dating anymore.
Okay.
In nome del Padre e Spirito Santo.
Congratulations! Okay, eto lang yung pinunta namin dito. This is what we were because of this box. Ang init guys, uwi na kami. Tapos na kami dito. So from 11? No, 12. 12 na kami actually nakadating dito. Mas kami ng bahay ng alas 10. And then uwi na kami ngayon. Tapos na ang aming spasiren gehen. Lakad-lakad mode. So, ayan. Napakainit, grabe. 29 degrees lang yan, napinit na. Sobrang init na guys. As in. So, maya na lang. Tignan natin kung mag-vlog pa ako sa bahay. Kung to be continue pa or this is the last one. So, matagal ako hindi na-vlog kasi na-busy. And then, tight pa yung schedule ko this July. So, puro ako trabaho. So, yun lang. Thank you so much for watching. Let's see if magbablog ako sa bahay mamaya. Okay? So, mamaya na lang. How do you say goodbye in French?
No?
Goodbye, France. So, dyan yung kinakasal kanina.
Au revoir.
Au revoir.
Au revoir, friends.
Ayan yung ano, yung church kanina. Maganda yung church.
Yeah. It's wrong.
Is it wrong?
This is only for bicycle, right?
Yeah. At ayan guys, hindi na ako nakag-vlog sa bahay. Mahaba na din naman kasi tong video na to. So, hindi ko na siya nadagdagan. And that's it for today's video. Thank you so much for watching. And ayan pala yung statue na nakita din namin. St. Joseph statue yan. Hindi na namin napuntahan kasi actually, ang dami na din namin nilakad dyan. Sobra. Nilibot namin yung town na yan. And again guys, thank you very much for watching. I hope you like this video. Please like and subscribe po. Maraming salamat po. Bye! Choose! Manood po kayo ng next video. Thank you! Bye-bye!